I'm gonna show my daughter something. Okay, be careful. Watch your finger. It's sharp. That's sharp. Okay. Okay. We need this. Okay. We're gonna do this. Right, I'm gonna show you something cool. Look, we got this. Here, give me this. Whoa. Watch it. Watch your step. I'm gonna teach you how to connect copper together. Okay. Yeah, that's the fire, huh? Okay. All right, so we got this. Okay, look it. Daddy needs gloves. Can you hand me that glove over there in the box? No, in the box, love. No, love. The glove. Can you give me that glove right there, please? Thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, watch your step right here. Put this stuff back. Put that back. Put that back. So look it. Okay, give me that. Give me that other piece. That I threw in here. This here. Look, look. Okay, Daddy's gonna clean that. Okay. So I'm pretty much just gonna show her how to connect this. I'm gonna waste the tea pretty much. Look it, love. Look. It's gonna clean it. This cleans it. Look, put it in here. It cleans it.
Me try.
Wanna try? Okay. Put the glove on. There you go. Okay. Your hands are so filthy. Okay. Okay, hold it from here. Now put this in here. Maybe you don't need gloves, but here. No, here, put it in there. Here, take your glove off. Hold it. Your hands are dirty anyway. Here, put this in here. And twist it. Twist. It cleans it. Try the other side. Here, put this side in there now. Here, put it in. Put it. There you go. That's called a wire brush. It's called a wire brush. It cleans it. Oh, watch your face. That's too small. That's for 1/2-inch pipe. This is 3/4. And you know what these are for? You know what the outside brushes are for? To put it in something like this, inside. This is for inside. Look. Cleans the inside. Let me see that piece? Look it. I'm gonna put it in here. Look, Elowen. I'm gonna stick it in here. Here. Look it. I'm gonna stick it in. It's in. Here. Here. I'm trying to get you to see that I'm gonna do some magic right now. Look, kid. Look it. It could come apart. It could go in, and it could come apart. You here? The wire brush is here. You want the other glove? Here. Okay. So this is like a self-starting torch. Has a on tank. Then it has this is gonna release the gas. Then it has this on and off setting. So now it's on, and then it has You're okay. Don't touch that. It's hot. Don't touch, please.
It's hot.
Yes, love. It's hot. So please don't touch. Another one. I have a lot of gloves, huh?
Yeah,
Hold on. Let me get a pipe wrench. Let me get a pipe wrench in here.
Come on, show us.
I got this sweet aluminum. It's a different angle. I don't know what they call it. Okay, hold on, love. I'm gonna show you the fire right now. You wanna see the fire? Daddy needs a brush. Does Daddy have a brush here? Daddy needs a brush. Daddy needs a So this is called an acid brush, and this is called flux. So I'm gonna be wearing two of the same kind of glove. Move this over here. So pretty much what you do is, look at love, I'm gonna put this together. Can I see that glove there? Can you pass me that glove? Elowen, can I have that glove, please? Thank you. Okay, got left and right glove. So since I cleaned this part of the tee a little bit, I don't have sandpaper to get in there. And this wire brush looks pretty. You want me to open it for you? Okay. You want me to open this 1/2 inch, about 2.5 inches length? And this is called a nipple. It's brass. So look at Daddy's gonna do this. So where are you gonna connect it? You have to put this. So this is like a little solder demonstration. Look it. No, don't touch this. It's bad. You need gloves. Excuse me. Go get some gloves. You need some gloves. Okay. So so I put some in here already, and then I put some. I'm gonna put some here. Don't touch. This is bad. This is acid. It's bad. You need gloves. You need gloves. You need gloves. Watch what you're doing here. There you go. So then I'm gonna use this to hold it up, pretty much. And I guess I could do a vertical connection. No, leave it. I do horizontal. It looks clean. Okay. So, oh, gotta tighten it more. My love, you need gloves? And let me get you some. I have some gloves right here. Okay. You want some gloves?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to burn this, so let me get something metal, okay? Here, come over here. There's gloves over here. Let me show you. Here. Can I help you? Okay, hold on. Here, put your hand in. Put your hand. First, you have to get your shirt out the way. Each finger needs to go on each hand, okay? There you go. Here, do this now. Here, other one, other hand. See, each one of these is for each finger. One finger in each. Here, here. There we go. Okay. There you go. Hey, Edward Scissorhands, let me see your gloves. Elowen, can I see your gloves? She has gloves on. They don't fit her. There's some construction. Okay. So, I'm gonna hit it like that. Show you guys how it's done. No, this is dangerous. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, give me the water. Where's the water? Right there. Have the water ready, okay? That's you. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Okay. No, orange is fine. You can leave the orange. Leave it. Good. Daddy needs something sharp. Daddy needs a blade. Okay, look at Daddy's gonna make a hole in this. Okay, made a hole so later I could squirt my fitting. I don't have a rag, so I'm gonna just clean it up with flux. on, love. Oh, thank you. You can leave that in there, okay? So, okay, wait. Don't touch this no more, okay? Look it. Watch Dad. Watch what Dad does. Here. There's water here. Look it. Squirt. When I tell you to squirt, squirt there. Not yet. Hold it. Hold it. Just hold it. I want to get a more sturdier. Like, see, so pipe wrench is acting up. Yeah, I should use the right one. No, it's good like that. Oh yeah. This is old anyway. This is a
I see it.
I don't know, it's a, I think it's 1 inch. It's a 1 inch pipe cutter. Good job, love. Good job.
I did.
Okay, watch.
I did.
Don't squirt here, squirt over there, okay?
Sorry.
Okay, so now we got the cane filled. What you want to do, you want to, you know, give yourself some slack. That's what I do. Give myself like a good slack. So that way I can just do like a little whip. Go under, do a whip. Okay. Daddy's gonna put fire now. It fell. Elowen, you're spilling water. Don't spill no more. Elowen. Yeah, that didn't really work. But I could do it like that. So, yeah. Here, let me show you though. Look at the yo-yo. All done. Put water. Squirt water. Come on. Here, squirt water. Squirt water. Look.
Yeah.
There you go. It's hot. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need a rag. Go get. Can you find a? Or, yeah, we need a rag. It's okay. So this is a very ugly solder. It's not gonna leak. See all that excess on the bottom? It's not a very good solder, but it's okay. Thank you. Okay, this is hot, love. But look, it doesn't come apart. It's stuck. Uh-huh. Let's put more water on it because it's hot still. Yeah, that's how you connect copper pipe. See, that's too much right there. See, I didn't clean off the flux. That kind of paste. Oh, this stuff right here. Like, you want to use some because it cleans the surface that you're gonna connect. But also, while you're hitting it, this thing melts and this will actually chase this. So if you have this stuff running down your pipe, like running down your pipe, it looks like butter. When you have it running down your pipe, like butter when it's melted, if you have it running down your pipe, this stuff in my hand is gonna chase it, so that's why you have drips. So to make it clean, as you're heating it up, you want to clean whatever's dripping down so this stuff doesn't chase it when it gets hot. Look, Elowen, it's stuck. Look at the yo-yo melted. See, this is the melted yo-yo. It's the melted yo-yo. What's your reaction to this? Yeah, I don't think this would have a leak. See inside, it penetrated. If you see inside of it, you see some of the solder in there. That means it penetrated through. See it? That's when you know it has a seal. And usually you want to leave a cap on it. A little bit of it's capped, not the whole thing. But That's just a demonstration because we're right here killing time. What? What do you hear? The ice cream man? Let's go to the store now. Let's put this stuff away. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Gotta take the glove off to stop the video. You ready, love?